Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome back to my channel Leela WebDev. In this video, we will learn about the factory function pattern in the JavaScript. So far we have covered simple factory and also the static factory we have covered it. In this video, we will look at a very JavaScript specific style called the factory function pattern. In JavaScript, using classes is an optional normally. Many developers prefer functions instead of classes. So the question is, can we apply the factory pattern without classes? The answer is yes, using a factory function pattern. A factory function is normal JavaScript function that creates the objects, returns the objects, and hides the creation logic. Instead of using new or static methods, you will simply call a function. So first, let's define how a logger should behave. So let's try to create a new folder. I will try to keep it as a factory function. Factory. Okay, factory function already it is there. So in this factory function, so what I will be, I will create a new file, factory.js file. Okay, so this is our code. So now let's say that we will create a console logger. So I will have a function create console logger. This is the function which we'll have, and in this one I will return the log message. So log of message, and in this one, so what you can have console.log console, and you can send the message. That's it. So this is our create console logger. In the same scenario, this function returns an object with a log method inside. In the same scenario, you will have a file logger also. Let's copy this one and I will paste it at the bottom. So this is our create file logger. So I will create another one, something like file logger, and inside this one you will have something like this. That's it. So each factory function creates and returns a specific object. Now we create a factory function for this one. So here I can have function create logger, and you will try to send the type for this one. And in this type, what you can do, if type is equal to console, then you will return the create console logger, and this is the object which you will get it. And if type is equal to what is the file, then you will return create file logger, or otherwise you will throw new error unknown logger type. Okay, so this is the thing which will be tried to say. This is similar to a simple factory but written in a pure functional style. Actually, here is how the client uses it. So if the client wants to use it, it means constant logger is equal to create logger of, and if he wants console means he will send the console inside this one, and he can use logger dot log, and you can send the message application started or something like this. That's it. So now if I try to run this one, inside the factory and inside the factory function, and if I try to run this factory.js file, so you'll be able to see console application started. So we are able to see the output. No new, no classes, just only the functions. This style actually, right? So this style is very popular in Node.js because functions are lightweight, no inheritance is required, easy to test and easy to compose. Many Node.js libraries uses this pattern actually internally. But the limitation is the same as simple factory. If you add a new logger type, so you must modify the factory function. So that means it is still violating the OCP principle. So that is the main thing which we are having the limitation in this one. So use factory. So when we'll be using these factory functions, when you want to prefer functional style, you don't want to need the class hierarchies, and you want the simple readable code, and you are building small or medium Node.js apps. So that is what I want to explain you about the factory function. So factory function means using plain functions to create and return the objects. In the next video, we will move to the official factory method pattern and see how it solves extensibility problems. So that's it guys about this factory function pattern. Hope you understood about this concept. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.